Lately, I heard a comment from someone in the hospitality industry that he had problem or issues with MCs who often say unnecessary things. Well, I did not ask him to elaborate the case, but that comment triggered me to share my opinions about that issue, that particular issue about MCs who are saying unnecessary things. You're watching Emcee Bali channel with me, Nirmala Trisna from Bali, Indonesia. Let me remind you to watch until the end, and then you can like this video before you hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification. Disclaimer, this is solely my opinion based on my experience as MC since mid-90s and also as an event planner for more than 2 decades. So here are my tips on how to be good MCs. And these tips are not in particular order. Be confident, but not overconfident. Having the right amount of confidence is important, so the audience can feel relatable with us and also they are willing to interact with us during the event. Be humble. No matter how confident we are or how many experience we got, remember, we are human. We always have flaws. Take note on every important things that we have to do during the event, and remember that we have to follow certain rules and also certain issues in regards to the event. Listen to every opinions that are given to us. Maybe not all we can take, but still, all opinions matter. Be outgoing. As an MC, we need to know everyone who are related to the event, be that the event owner, the event organizer, the stagehands, the audio man, the lighting operator, the videographer, the talents, well, everyone. Try to remember each person with their roles and responsibility related to the event. Everyone are connected in the event, and everyone has their roles to make the event a successful one. Be nice. As an MC, we should project nice personality as we are the host of the event. We have to make sure that everyone, the audience, can enjoy the programs presented in that event. Be articulate, clear, and concise. Say each words clearly. Don't waste everyone's time by saying unnecessary things. We can tell stories, but make sure it is relatable, it is not too long, and most importantly, it is related to the program we are hosting. Be ourselves. It is the talent that we are showcasing as a master of ceremony hosting the event. So try to be ourselves. Don't imitate other people. If we are not a comedian, don't try to be funny. If we are not a serious, formal person, don't try to be that kind of person as well. The point is, be ourselves. Don't imitate other people. Be diligent. We have to do our homework as an MC. There are a lot of points and notes that we have to take when we prepare ourselves to be the MC of that event. Take notes. Try to learn how to pronounce someone's name. Make sure to recheck how we are presenting something is correct and as expected by the event owner. We have to practice our script, or maybe before we practice, send it to the event owner and also let them recheck and send us the approved version. Then we practice. Ask for the event details and also how the run of the show. Check every details. Imagine ourselves standing on the stage, imagining how one program run to the next one. Imagine the audience response. So we can prepare our script, we can prepare anything that is outside of the script. So when plan A doesn't work, we have prepared our plan B, plan C, and so on. Remember, having a bank of information inside our brain will become handy. We will never know what's going to happen on the stage. Okay, I hope these tips are useful. Let me know your thoughts. Please share in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'm Nirmala Trisna from Bali, Indonesia. See you next time.